Hello everyone. Today we are looking at these incredible 5-way opening stackable storage bins for your home. Yellow, blue, and green bins are included in this large 11-gallon capacity storage set. You can easily access your belongings from the top, front, back, or even the sides. Built-in wheels and a stable stacking design make moving and organizing these containers a total breeze. These bins require no tools for assembly and fold down flat whenever they are not in use. The high-quality resin plastic construction is strong enough to support up to 100 pounds of weight. Keep your office or bedroom perfectly tidy with these versatile and durable folding storage solutions right now. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.